5 yellow ducklings waddling in a row, each wore a hat with a colorful bow. One had spots and one had stripes, one wore a hat with stars and pipes. They splashed in puddles flat with cheer, their fancy hats brought giggles near. With a quack and a wiggle off they go, marching in line just so, just so. Five little ducklings playing in the sun with their lovely hats, oh what fun! One wore a crown so shiny and bright, the others joined in such a lovely sight. They danced in circles, splashing all around with happy quacks. They made a joyful sound, with a wiggle and a giggle off they sway, marching together in their own sweet way.